My travels have brought me to Hamlet, North Carolina, a town that was born and grew up at the juncture of two major railroad lines, right at the time when the railroad industry was bursting at the seams and rapidly expanding across the U.S. It was a time when railroads were bringing business, commerce, and prosperity to communities across the nation, including Hamlet. This is the historic Victorian-style Hamlet Rail Station, dating from 1900. And while you might not know it looking at the station today, over the decades, time had not been kind to the old building. It fell into disuse and disrepair and seemed heading for a date with a wrecking ball. But a few folks saw something others could not. They could see that just beyond a thin layer of peeling paint and a few warped and rotting boards, there was a grand and graceful building, a building worth saving. Plans were made, and in 2003, the structure was lifted and carefully moved 200 feet across the track to where it now stands. It was given a $12 million facelift and renovation. Today, it's a town focal point. The ground floor is a railroad museum, which I've already gone through in episode 2. But the museum continues downstairs in the basement of this old building. Even before the rail depot was moved, a plan developed for a model railroad which would represent how the city of Hamlet looked in the 1950s. Once the station was securely lowered onto its new foundation, the good folks at the Southbound Model Railroaders Club in Winston-Salem were given the green light. The group began crafting this large and elaborate train layout. A year later, this miniature town of Hamlet was ready. It was carefully moved, installed, and set up here in the basement of the station. And a marvelous creation it is. Given instructions to depict the town as it was in 1952, the modelers did their very best to assure everything before you faithfully represents the scenes from that year. The buildings, trains, and streetscapes are indeed what you would have seen if you had wandered around Hamlet in 1952. The maintainers of the layout continue to follow suit. As engines and cars are replaced, they make certain the replacements are time period correct. And while you might see Seaboard's Silver Meteor train, you won't see that train's famous Sun Lounge cars, because they didn't appear until 1956. But what you will see is the old Hamlet roundhouse, a pink elephant, a comet, a star, the opera house, and maybe even a dog beside a hydrant. Whatever you do, don't rush through this display, because it's chock full of interesting little details and vignettes, what you won't see unless you take your time. So, should you find yourself at the Railroad Museum here in Hamlet, don't forget to take the elevator one floor down to this fantastic railroad setup. You won't regret it. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.